Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily use the sorting function and the filter views with Sheets so you can analyze your data. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that you never grab a range like, let's say, B3 to B32 and right click and sort it. The reason is that you're going to sort it A to Z or Z to A. However, it's not going to match up with the other information on the left. So let me give you a demonstration. So here 80 in student 9. Student 9 has an 80 on test 1. If I highlight B3 to B32 and right click and go sort range A to Z, watch how that 80 moved up to student 6, and now that student 9 is a 90. So I messed it up. To fix that, all you have to do is go to the column and on the drop down arrow on B, go to sort sheet A to Z. That means that it's going to take everything and keep it where it's at and match it with the student for that column. So notice student 9 stays with 80 and it sorted it. Now, it might mess up some of your reports down here when you start sorting them. So it would be important that you don't put your reports underneath the columns you're going to sort so it doesn't mess it up. So that's how you can sort accurately. Remember, always sort the entire sheet when you use the sorting function. Now the next one I'm going to show you is how to do a filter view. So I'm going to select B and go to the filter view, and when I go filter, I'm going to create a new filter, and I have some merged fields. So come down to here and let's unmerge those fields. It doesn't like it when you do that. So unmerge those fields. Now let's go back here and let's click on column B and let's go to filter, create a new filter. And this is where you can then drill down in your data for this row and say, okay, let me clear all of them. I want to see all the students that have 50s and 60s, and that's it. And so what it's going to do, and again, that's kind of what I warned you about with your chart, is it's going to get in your way. It's going to filter for you and only show you the students that have the grades you filtered. Okay? You can always go back to your filter right here and select all, right? And then click OK, and everything comes back the way it was. You can always leave a filter view. So let's go back and clear all of this and say I want to see only 50s. And I can hit the X and it'll take me out of that filter view and leave it. So why you would do a filter is you're looking for something specific in the data that you're trying to find. And sorting is you just want to have everything go in A to Z order because it makes sense. Like maybe student names, sorting A to Z, GTID numbers with students, A to Z, whatever it is you're wanting to see grades A to Z makes sense. I hope this was helpful on how to use the filter view. Again, I'll demonstrate it in column C. Go to filter, do a new filter view, and then whatever it is you're looking for. So I'm going to clear, I want to look for all 70s. And there's the one student that has a 70. And then I leave that filter by hitting the X. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial.